Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back doing another live trade. This is for June the 1st. It's a Friday, and the first Friday of each month is non-farm payroll. I can show you the Forex factory right here at 8:30, non-farm payroll and the unemployment rate. These three right here will move the market. It depends on the deviation, how great it is. If it's really close, it'll move it less, and if it's the deviation, the actual compared to the forecast is much more, then the market will move more. So now looking at the charts, and a good pair to be trading through my years of experience, the dollar yen is really good. So this is 5 minutes before the news. Right here, I was analyzing it. Everything was telling me 5 minutes before the news, and right here at the news was telling me, like down at the bottom, a lot of triggers, lot of blue down there, and then of course, according to the PIP trigger rules that I teach in the training videos, said to take the trade. So you can take the trade like 1 minute before if you want, right here on this candle, or as this candle is going up. So right in here to there is only 5 pips, and then let's say there's a 2 pip spread. Now I'm hanging on. For this to continue to go up, it's got to break this top right here. And as you can see, dollar is strong and the yen is weak. It's the weakest and the dollar is the strongest. So more than likely it'll break, but not guaranteed. Everything here could be screaming to buy, but if this holds, then the party's over. So if it stays here with too many dojis, too many issues, too many problems, too many wicks, I'll just close the trade, even if it drops down a few pips, $400, $500. I'll just play it by ear, and all I can do is just wait and see. The ADR on the dollar yen is only 79, and today I already went 95, so that's why this line is solid. Now, I usually like to take trades that are above 100 here, pips, but I've learned for the non-farm payroll, this dollar yen is pretty good, and as you can see right now, it's breaking it. I'm up over $1,000 now. So that's what you have to do. It takes many hours in front of the charts, chart reading and studying. Then you got to figure out which pair will work best for which news. And this does take a bit of time to figure out. Now it can just spike up a little bit, hook around and come down, or it can, because it already did hit the ADR. So like I said, I'll just keep monitoring every 5-minute candle, and I'll make a decision. So this is just a waiting game, and that's all we can do. Everything is looking good. The 3 moving averages are all in proper order. Down at the bottom, still looking good. And it's still the best pair to trade. So all we can do is sit and wait. So I shall report back shortly. Forex Nelson, and I'm back again. And I decided to close the trade. I did the dollar yen for the non-farm payroll. 6 lots. Here is 5 minutes before. I got in right at this level right here. Right at this cursor I got in with actually I had a 25 pip stop because it was non-farm payroll. Took the trade slightly before. I knew the trend was going up, as the PIP trigger was telling me up. Lots of blue down at the bottom, and the 3 lines are in order. It went against me only 6 pips. I gave it an extra 5 pips because of the non-farm payroll, just in case it spiked a bit. But the news was not strong enough today to make it spike a lot. So it did shoot up right there for 17 pips. It fiddled and diddled it a little bit until finally it continued to go up. So I ended up getting 18 pips. And I know it can break the top and keep going, but that's the way life goes. I was happy with a little over $1,000. And so from the trade earlier and the trade during the Asian session, I'm very happy with the totals for the past 24 hours. If you want to see those videos, just look at it. Look at the 2 previous videos. So anyhow, the dollar yen, I know it doesn't do as much, but for the non-farm payroll, it's usually one that doesn't jump all over the place like the pound pairs. And so I prefer a little bit more of a smoother ride as opposed to, I'm speaking in terms of the non-farm payroll. The dollar yen is a little bit more calm. It doesn't jump around as much. So you learn all of these things in the PIP Trigger package if you get it. And if you want it, just get in touch with me. Look right below this video and you'll see my contact information and what comes with the PIP Trigger package. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that just about wraps it up for this trading day. I'm finished. I might check London close, but I'll see at 11 o'clock if I can find something that looks good to trade. Anyhow, until the next trade, happy trading and bye for now.